of dice. Dice is basically when we have, like, when we are doing some kind of segmentation problems, we would definitely have an image. Suppose it's a tumor image, and we are going to have a ground truth. The ground truth image would be black and white, or black and with some other colors, and this would have like masks like this. So what dice means is that this black and white mask, this one would be given, and your model has to make another mask and basically predict that mask. So when you are creating that mask, a predicted mask, of course, so the dice value does is it actually measures the relationship between the original mask that has been given and the predicted mask that your model gave to you. So suppose this is my given mask and this is my predicted mask, and if my given mask is this and my predicted mask is here somewhere and it overlaps like this, so the common portion would be in this section or this area. So what dice does is it measures, here I've written that it measures that measure the overlap between the predicted and the actual mask that has been given. Here's the formula. Dice is equal to 2 predicted mask intersecting the ground mask plus divided by the predicted mask plus the ground mask. And here the dice loss would be 1 minus dice, because here we can see that we didn't cover all the portions here. There are some of the portions that are cut here. So the mask, the original mask, lost some of its actual answers, and the actual answer is varied a bit. So we need to find the dice loss. So for the dice loss, we can do is 1 minus dice. Very simple. So basically, and my question here was that why are we using 2 here? Why are we using 2 multiplication? Because if we do not multiply here by 2, then the mask predicts that it's 0.5, the matching is 0.5, and which is not mathematically correct. But if we do 2x, which means that it basically means that the mask it basically means that 2 is not adding fake pixels, but it's actually recorrecting the double counting, because it basically means this smaller portion has been a part of this, and this smaller portion has been a part of this pixels or this mask as well. So if we want to understand how much of the portion of the total image, the combined total image, how much portion of the value has been correctly measured, so we have to multiply this with 2 to understand how much pixel is correctly predicted in the overall image. So this is the concept of dice.